Now next lecture number 16. Topic P block elements. Subtopic hydrides of third A group elements. Mostly boron hydrides. Now what is boron hydrides? The element of third A group does not directly react with hydrogen. It is the compound with hydrogen. Boron hydrides or hydrides are nothing but compounds with hydrogen. Boron hydride means reaction of boron with hydrogen. Third A group element does not directly react with hydrogen. Some electron deficient molecule like diborane, pentaborane, hexaborane, etc. get formed. The boron hydrides are called as a boranes like that of alkanes. When carbon react with hydrogen, there is a formation of CnH2n plus 2 and other ones, and which we collectively call them as alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Similar to that, when boron react with hydrogen, it form boron hydrides, and that boron hydrides are called as a collectively boranes. There are two types of boranes get formed, BnHn plus 4 and BnHn plus 6. So BnHn plus 4 include diborane, pentaborane, hexaborane, octaborane 12, decaborane 14. Whereas the type BnHn plus 6 contain tetraborane, pentaborane 11, hexaborane 12, enanborane 15, decaborane 16. So these two types of hydrides get formed by boron and collectively called as a boranes. Important one is a among them important one is a diborane. Diborane is an electron deficient compound. That means it is having deficiency of electron, does not have enough electron for the formation of diborane. There are deficiency of 2 electron for the formation of covalent bond between boron and hydrogen. Ethane C2S6 have 14 electrons when it form, while diborane having 12 electrons when it form. Diborane means B2S6. Hence, diborane is called as an electron deficient molecule, and it form two bridge bond to compensate this electron deficiency. Now this picture where this hydrogen is acting as a bridging hydrogen. This one hydrogen as well as this one hydrogen. So this is the bridging structure of boron. Pink color is showing boron atom, white is of hydrogen. Now in the left side there is a formation of ethane, which contain 14 electrons. Now this is the structure of diborane. This hydrogen is a bridging hydrogen. It form a bond angle as 83. This is a one boron and this is the second boron. One hydrogen is backward and one hydrogen is front side. Similar to another boron, one is backward and one is a front side. The bond angle between them is 199 and distance is 199. The bond angle is a 97 degree. Now this bond distance is 131 pm, and the bond angle between these two hydrogen is a 120 degrees Celsius. So this is the structure of a diborane. Now let's see preparation of diborane. Diborane is prepared by the action of ionic hydrides on BCl3, boron halides. Now ionic hydrides means compound with hydrogen, that is hydrides. Now here NaH is ionic hydride. Sorry. Why called ionic hydrides? Because sodium is having delta positive charge, hydrogen is having delta negative charge. Now here hydrogen is in a minus oxidation state, and hence it is an ionic hydride. By reaction with BCl3, it gives B2S6, that is a diborane. Second one is by reduction of BCl3 with lithium borohydrides or sodium borohydrides in presence of ether. Now this is the reaction BF3. Now here instead of BCl3 we take BF3. You can also use BCl3 here. BF3 is allowed to react with lithium borohydrides and sodium borohydrides. There is a formation of diborane takes place, and on arrow there should be ether. In presence of ether this reaction takes place. Third one, by reducing BCl3 with lithium aluminum hydrides. BCl3 is allowed to react with LiAlH4 in presence of ether solution. There is a formation of diborane takes place. Fourth preparation is by the action of dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 on alkali metal borohydrides, we get B2S6. Now this is metal borohydrides. Now here metal is sodium. Allowed to react with dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, we get B2S6. And hydrogen gas get liberated. Now let's see properties of diborane. It is stable at low temperature and above 100 degrees Celsius it get decomposes into the higher borane. So below 1000 degrees Celsius it is a stable one, but after 1000 degrees Celsius it get decomposes into the higher boranes such as B4H10, B5H9, B5H11. It decomposes by water into boric acid and hydrogen gas get liberated. That means when diborane allowed to react with water, it gives boric acid H3PO3 along with hydrogen gas. It reacts with alkali metal hydride to give metal borohydrides. Alkali metal hydrides, that is lithium, which is alkali metal, compound with hydrogen, it is alkali hydrides, metal hydrides allowed to react with diborane, we get lithium borohydrides. Reaction with ammonia. Depending upon the experimental condition, it forms various compounds or various products. When diborane is allowed to react with excess ammonia but at low temperature, at that time it forms additive product or additive compound is given. B2S6 allowed to react with excess ammonia but at low temperature, there is an additive product. That means that just association of ammonia along with B2S6. But when diborane in presence of excess ammonia at a high temperature allowed to react, we get boron nitride. Diborane with excess ammonia but at a high temperature it gives boron nitrides. When B2S6 and NH3 are treated in the ratio as 1:2 and at high temperature they use borazine. Borazine, which is a compound of boron, nitrogen, hydrogen, which having 3 boron, 3 nitrogen and 6 hydrogen. It is formed when diborane and ammonia they react with one another in the ratio of 1:2 and at a higher temperature. Now let's see uses of diborane. Diborane is used as a fuel for rocket. It also used for breeding purpose. It is used as a reducing agent in some organic reactions. It also acts as a catalyst in some polymeric reaction. It also used for the preparation of higher boranes, organic boron compound and metal boron hydride such as, for example, LiAlH4, NaBH4, etc. So these are the uses of diborane. So guys, now here we see the preparation of what is meant by diborane, how diborane get prepared, reaction using for the preparation of diborane, structure of diborane, properties of diborane and also uses of diborane. So thank you for watching this video. On internet there are structure of diborane is available. Diborane contain bridging hydrogen, 2 bridging hydrogen and 4 terminal hydrogen. In the structure of diborane we can see the detail of formation of diborane as well as its structure. So thank you for watching this video.